Hi, I did a video a while back about a string trimmer jet vac combo from Ryobi, which seems like a good deal. This is not it. From Home Depot, it's like 90 bucks, 80 bucks for the combo kit. If you have other Ryobi tools, sometimes just the battery, that alone is worth it, and so that's why I got it initially. But then I realized that every time you hit the gas, it lets out more string. Not this one, but the Stringer, what is it? Stringer jet fan blower combo kit. It's like airplane soup above my house. I returned that junk, and I made a video of why. Because every time you pull the trigger, line goes out. Now, I don't know about you guys, but when I trim, you know, I get a little there, maybe a little bit over here. Like, I don't walk around my entire yard like this the whole time. I use my hands for work, and I got pretty strong hands. I don't think I'd even want to hold it down the whole time. I don't understand where everyone's missing the common sense on this. Every time you pull the trigger, more line comes out, and it has a safety guard on it, just like this one, and it has a cutter just like this one. So it's letting out line and then cutting some off. And then with that combo pack, there's only one type of system you can put in there, and then they're like $5 each. And I've had people that say, I run maintenance for a facility, we got 10 of them, they work great. You're wasting your money, you're losing tons of line. On the standard kind, or the old school kind, like this, you just bump it on the ground to add more line. The only time it adds more line is when you bump it. When you bump it, it hits this button, it has like a clutch in there, and then the spinning force kicks out more line, and then the cutter cuts it. It's really simple. I'm sorry that people don't understand the flat out common sense of every time you pull the trigger, more line comes out. Even Ryobi's responded to that video, and they said, well, that's what everybody does. That was their response. All that level of trimmer, that means every time most other brand trimmers, and I'm not an expert in any of those, I don't know anything about any of those, but they're saying that the new ones, the battery kind, every time you pull the trigger, I mean, how does that not make sense? Get the upgraded brushless. I'll put a link down below.